Welcome to another Hoshizaki Technical Training. I'm your host, David Rivera, and today we're going to be covering the incoming voltage on a KM ice machine. We're going to cover the incoming voltage all the way up to the control board. Before we begin, remove all panels to gain full access to the machine. Have a multimeter ready, set to AC voltage. The first area we'll inspect is the incoming power at the back side of the machine. Follow the power cables coming from the outlet or the junction box into the unit. Note, all the units that do not come with a plug are meant to be hardwired. At the connector points, verify incoming voltage to confirm the machine is receiving the proper power. For 115 volt units, check the voltage between the black line wire and the white neutral wire. The reading should be approximately 115 volts. For a 208/230 volt single phase unit, you will have a black and a brown line wire. Units without a voltage tap switch will also include a white neutral wire. Between the black and brown line wires, the voltage should read between 208/230 volts. Between the black line wire and the white neutral, the voltage should read approximately 115 to 120 volts. For 208/230 volt three-phase units, there will be 3 line wires or 3 hot wires, black, brown, and red. When checking voltage between any 2 of these wires, the reading should be between 208 and 230 volts. If you're getting incorrect voltage readings at the machine, the next step is to check the voltage directly at the outlet or junction box. If the voltage at the junction box is correct, the issue is likely within the power cable going to the unit. If there is no power present, verify that the breaker is not tripped. Once you confirm that the breaker is not tripped and you verify there's no power at the junction or incorrect power at the junction, please contact an electrician. Now that we verified the correct voltage entering the machine, we'll move over to the control box and test the high voltage side of the control transformer. Trace the black and brown wire from the transformer to find an easy access point to check voltages. The voltage across these wires should be approximately 115 volts. If the voltage is incorrect, verify the following. The 10 amp fuse is good. The power switch is passing voltage. The high pressure switch is closed. On units equipped with the center tap transformer, you will also need to verify the tap output voltage. To test this, measure the voltage between the white transformer wire and ground. A properly functioning transformer should read approximately 60 to 67.5 volts. Before replacing any components, always inspect your wiring between each component to confirm that the wires are connected properly and the voltage is being passed through. To identify wire routing and component location, refer to your wiring diagram found in the unit's service manual. If the voltage going into the control transformer is higher than 147 volts or lower than 92 volts plus or minus 5%, the machine might produce a 6 beep or a 7 beep alarm. These alarms are not reset using the alarm reset switch and will only be clear once the voltage issue has been corrected. If you experience a 6 beep or a 7 beep alarm and need assistance with this issue, please contact Hoshizaki Technical Support. Now that we confirm the proper voltage going into the control transformer, we will verify the low voltage output coming from the transformer. Trace the 2 red wires leading to the K2 connector at the control board. Measure the voltage between them. The reading at the K2 connector should be 10.5 volts plus or minus 5%. If the control voltage is present at the K2 connector but the power OK light is not illuminated, the control board needs to be replaced. If there is no voltage present and the unit is equipped with an interlock switch, verify that the interlock switch is in the closed position. If the output voltage is incorrect, the transformer will need to be replaced. As always, before switching out any components, please verify that the machine is wired properly. Thank you for watching Hoshizaki Technical Training. If you have any further questions on the KM voltages, please contact Hoshizaki Technical Support.
We hope you found this video helpful. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also offer virtual and in-person training courses on Hoshizaki products for technicians. If you're interested in this, go to hoshizakiamerica.com/support/training or scan the QR code on the screen. For further assistance, you can contact us by phone or at email. The contact details are on the right side of the screen. Thanks for watching.